All right, I'm gonna show you how to install inner tube into a tubeless tire. Once the tube get dry rotted, no longer holding air, been flat, and instead of throwing the tire away, just stick an inner tube in it. First thing you want to do, you want to break that away from the rim. Then you want to cut this old stem out because the inner tube has its own stem. So just take your razor blade and just go ahead and just cut it until you just get it, and then the back end of it gonna fall inside the tire, but you'll be all right catching it, get it out of there. So just get that out and then go in there. Now you see that part that fell down in there, make sure you get that out. Don't leave that in there when you blow up the other end too. Okay, all right, we'll be back. All right, now you wanna get one side of this tire up. Get you something to pry it up with, some screwdriver. Usually just 2 screwdrivers, crowbar. Anyway, best just get you one side up. One side up. All right. Just keep on prying until you get the whole this side up. Keep at it. Keep at it. All right, you got that side up. That's gonna make it easy. Don't try to do it no other way. That's gonna make it easy to throw this inner tube in there, tuck it all around in there, bring the stem back to your hole. All right, good. All right, what we're gonna do, let's start tucking it. Let's start shoving that baby in there. Shove it in there, shove it in there. It ain't the easiest thing in the world, but it ain't the hardest either. All right. Yeah. I really hate them. That inner tube is a lot cheaper than purchasing a tire. All you're doing is just shoving it inside the tire. That's all you're doing. Get all the way around. Get around this rim. You can't be prying with no screwdrivers and stuff, but you're gonna put a hole in your inner tube. And then what you want to do while you're putting it in there, you can see I'm trying to keep that stem lined up with that rim. So sometimes you're gonna have that stem way around there. All you gotta do is just slide it around though, but make sure you try to keep that bad boy right at the hole. Guess y'all can see what I'm doing. All right, I'm almost in. Now I want to get that stem in the hole. Guess y'all can see that stem went in that hole. My personal video, I should have showed y'all that. There it is. I got the stem in the hole. Now you in there. Now what I always like to do, I get me some vice grip and I hold that right there so that don't fall back in. I always want to go back in. So, see it's going back in already. That dog. It's back in. All right, so that dog it. I knew better. All right, here you go. That dog. I got that. This one-man job. Like that. Lock it a little tighter. Okay. Now, you got that in. Now you want to do is put your tire back on the rim. Start. I like to start opposite side. Watch that screwdriver, but right there. Right there. That's what I'm looking for. And then I just start. Sometimes you have to get on the floor with this stuff. I might get on the floor and show you how I do it. Come on, camera person. Ain't the easiest crap in the world, but here we go. Gotta be real careful with that screwdriver. You want to pluck that inner tube. And just keep going. It's a pretty tough job. It's going. And there it is. There it is. Now, you ready for air. All right, good. All right, now we're just gonna put air in it. Remember, keep your vice grips there to keep that thing still from going in there. Once you get it in there, and remember, this better than buying that tire. That tire right there gonna cost you around there $35, $40. So just blow it up. Inner tube may cost you $15. Depending on where you get it from. And that's how you put, now you get to keep your good tire. Look at all that meat on that tire. It was dry rotted, but still, that's still a good tire. You can wear that tire from now on. And that is how you put inner tube, inner tire. And that's to keep you from buying a tire. All right, see y'all next time.